is a music soap puppet, and this is my YouTube video and of part 3. This is Phony, this is Eggdog, this is Doodle Bobber. I don't really know what his name is, but I just think his name is Doodle Bob, but a nickname for him is just Doodle. I don't really hear what his name is. And this is Deadpool. So,
honey, come on, it's time for dinner.
Okay, but I just gotta finish his winning in Marvel.
Okay, 5 more minutes.
I'm done.
Wow, that was fast. Okay, eat your food.
Yum, 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 done.
Okay, have fun playing with your friends.
Watch you on your phone. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, he's so cute. That's a cute doggy. So cute. Teddy Look. Tongue, come in to fight them. Okay. The bad guy got. Okay. Pew. Doodle Bob. Where did Doodle Bob go? No. Away! Come here, eyebrows on me. I'm back to home.
Oh, honey, I'm glad you're home. I missed you so much.
Yeah, I had a good time with my friends.
Oh, good.
Bye. I just gotta go in my secret fort. Bye. This is the end of the video, guys. Yay.